Hello foodies! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm super excited to share today's video recipe with you because it is a total game changer when it comes to healthier options of your favorite breakfast. Waffles. Join me and we will create my all-time favorite low carbs, low calorie, low fat, high in protein, super high in calcium, high protein waffles from, yes, you're right, cottage cheese. Come on, it takes only 20 minutes and you will love it. All you need is to mix all the ingredients together. Full list of ingredients, including nutrition facts, will be on the picture at the end of this video, so you can pause, give me a like and subscribe of course, and make a screenshot for your collection. I don't add any sweetener, you may if you want, but I will explain you later all the benefits of keeping your waffles neutral. Use any type of cottage cheese you like. 0% cottage cheese will give you less calories, 9% of cottage cheese will give you creamier texture. But don't go for fully fatless Greek yogurt, because we use it here as a substance for butter in original waffles. So use at least 2% of fat in Greek yogurt. I use 0% cottage cheese and 2% Greek yogurt. Use a blender for creamier texture, or if you like, if you don't have a blender, or if you like the texture of cottage cheese, you can use spoon or fork just to mix all the ingredients together. While your blender is working, don't forget to turn on your waffle maker. Please make sure that they are super hot. If they are not hot enough, your waffles will just stick to the plates like forever. It will be super hard to remove them. Don't put too much dough on your plates because it will increase in volume in the process of heating and cooking. After 10 minutes, you may try to open your waffle maker. If you can easily open it, well, your waffles are ready. If it is hard to open it, give it like 5, maybe 7 minutes more. It means that your waffles are still wet inside and they are not cooked enough. And here they are. Very crispy from outside and rich, creamier texture inside. You can add any toppings you like. I prefer for the breakfast some berries and my high protein yogurt. What I love about these waffles is that they are amazing meal prep. You can store them in the fridge for a couple of days in a container and they will become even more smooth, even more creamier. For me, this is amazing high protein substance for bread in my sandwiches. So this is the reason I don't add any sugar or any sweetener. You just can play with toppings. When your waffles are neutral, you can eat something sweet with it, or you can add some vegetables, some sauce of meat, for example, chicken breast and tomatoes and homemade tomato sauce, and cover them, and you will have amazing creamy high protein snack. You can eat it after workout or just during the day. Here are the ingredients and nutrition facts for my favorite waffles. Guys, I hope you will love them. Please let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you'd like to receive more healthy, tasty, high protein, low calorie recipes.